Kenneth, here. I want you to go now so that you come back early. Give him this money. Tell him I'll get the rest later. Okay? Just run and run. Make sure you get there fast.
This money is not complete. What is wrong with you and your brother?
My brother said that I should give you this one for now. We'll bring the next letter.
Come and give my picture. See, tell your brother I'm sick and tired of his stories. Do you get it? Tell him he will not get this picture unless he bring my money complete.
Oga Silas, it is from this picture he will get the money to pay. Please allow me to take the pictures back to you. God knows that he will come to pay.
I know why I'm giving you this picture. I swear to God, I know why I'm giving it to you. But don't forget to tell your brother, I want my money as soon as possible. I'm very serious. Okay?
I will.
What happened? Huh? What's all this? What happened to you? Talk to me.
I didn't do anything, no. I was just walking.
Oh my God! Ekele!
I urgently need to send some of those pictures to someone in the US. And since I was around the area, I thought I should come and collect them myself.
Okay, Anthony, that's the problem I'm talking about.
What are you talking about?
I sent my younger brother to get the pictures from the lab. And I don't know what happened. He got into a fight with someone and the entire pictures were destroyed. Everything. I'm sorry.
Izuchukwu.
Okay.
You were the only photographer at that ceremony. And you're telling me the whole pictures are spoiled? You want me and my friends to kiss those moments you captured goodbye?
No. That's not possible. See, Oga, the only thing I'm asking of is a little time so that I'll go back to the lab, rebook the pictures and get them printed. I'll personally deliver them to you. I assure you you'll get these pictures before you know it. Please. I'm so sorry for this delay. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I want those pictures. And I want them real fast.
Yes, you'll get them. I'll bring them to you personally. You'll get them very soon. Please. I'm I'm so sorry, Antonio. Oga Antonio, I'm so sorry, please. Christ! What is body to me?
I will wait here till night comes. That woman must pass here again, and I will make sure that my catapult teaches her a lesson.
Just to help you.
I'm sorry, please. Look, Auntie, you have every right to be angry. But all I'm asking for is a little time.
Listen, I have no time for this, okay? I need my money now.
Okay. No,
okay? I want it right now on this minute.
I'll give you your picture.
Or else, I'll call in the police for you.
No. Auntie, please.
The man.
Police?
Arrest him!
No.
Take him away!
Wait, madam.
Go away, go.
Officer, it was the lab people that spoiled the pictures. I promised to reprint them. I told her to come and collect the pictures today. And I don't know how it happened and the entire pictures got spoiled in the mud. It's not my fault, sir.
I'm no longer interested in the pictures. I want my money.
You see, I don't just understand the problem with you craftsmen. You lie a lot. Come today, come tomorrow has always been your trademark. Now, are you going to pay her money or not?
Sir, if she insists she wants her money, then I need more time to hustle and raise the money.
I don't need any time. I need my money.
Have you heard that?
Yes, sir.
Now, put everything you said here into writing. Officer, sir, take this man, make sure he put down everything he said here.
Yes, sir. Sweet.
Move. So, my dear, you must make sure Everything he said here, I'm putting into the notes. So, how are you doing? How about lunch today?
I'm actually looking for Izuchukwu Okoye, the photographer. Izu lives in this compound. You see, he had a little problem with someone and the police came and arrested him. So he's presently at the police station.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Any other thing, my princess?
No.
And then she said no, that she wanted her money back. I accepted the pay, yet they held me and insisted that someone must come and bail me.
It's one of those things one sees in life. Huh?
Josephine, thank you so much. And thank you for coming to bail me out. I'm so grateful. Thank you.
It's alright, Izu. All you have to do is work we have and raise that money so I can give back to those I took from, okay?
I'll do that. I won't disappoint you.
See you later.
Thank you.
There is a limit to what I can take. And I've had it up to here with that lunatic. The fact that she's fortunate to be a princess like me shouldn't make her think we're on the same page. Hell no. Listen, you really have to take things easy. You should save your breath for more important things. No, I think I've taken it easy enough. What is it that feeds her ego and pride? You know, I really need to know because it's just...
And do what with it?
Yes. What will you do with it? Listen, I don't know why this issue is eating you up this way. Just calm down, take it easy. You know what? Just tell that lunatic to stay off my path.
Okay? I have told you times without number that it's just the two of us. There is no one out there to help us. Just you and I in this lonely world struggling. Can't you get that?
Brodies, I know.
You know. I don't think you still know. You don't know. Look at all the problems you landed me in. There is no food in this house. And I used the little I had to settle the police. All because you picked a fight with a woman and spoiled my pictures. The pictures that feed us.
I didn't do anything to her. I was just walking. She nearly killed me. Instead of saying she was sorry, she slapped me.
I warned you. I warned you. I warned you. Just be careful. It's very simple. Be careful.
I must deal with that woman. I must.
Yesterday, I was told that he was arrested by the police.
Izu arrested by the police?
That was what I was told.
That bad? Well, that's all right. Maybe much later I'll go check on him myself.
Oh, hello, man.
Hey, Achike.
How you doing?
My good friend.
What's up?
How you doing?
I'm good.
Well, good to see you, but unfortunately I was on my way out for something very important. So you make yourself comfortable.
Anytime.
Okay, sis.
See you around.
All right, brother. Silas, please, please. You of all people should know my condition now. You know what I'm passing through.
That money is long overdue. You know that.
I know, Silas, I know. But you know I would have given you that one if not for the fact that my brother got into a fight with someone and the whole pictures was destroyed in the mud.
Izuchukwu, I will not do this for you again. I will not.
I'm begging you.
In short, this will be the last credit I will ever give to you. I know why I'm doing this. Do you understand me?
Benny, I never expected you would ask me such a question.
And I'm actually expecting an answer to that question. Yes.
There's nothing going on between the two of us.
Liar. You are a big liar and a cheap one.
Calling me a liar, Benny. Stop it. Let me tell you this one more time. There's nothing going on between Margaret and I. Not even now.
Oh, just stop it. Just stop it, right? Stop it. If you want me to believe that lie, I won't, Achike. I will not. I won't. If you can sleep with that good-for-nothing tramp, then lying will not just be a problem for you. Yes. Hold on a minute. What's the name of this? Take it. I said take it.
wait. Stop, please, stop.
Bring
No,
this.
please.
Silly
Will you stop? Stop it. Please, what did he do? Huh? He's my brother.
Hand him up!
No, hold on, wait. See,
Will you
listen.
hand him up?
Good afternoon. Hi, can I have 3,000 worth recharge card?
Which network?
Globacom. Thank you. Wow.
Come back here. What do you think you're doing? Is your bag worth your life?
Oh my God, in my card! Oh God, I dropped my card.
Leave everything. Leave your life matters most now. Okay? Please don't put us in trouble.
Oh, I have valuable things in the bag. Please, let's just go and get it, okay?
Leave everything, okay? Armed robbers are out there operating. Do you want to go into the crossfire? Please just wait here. Wait here. I don't know you don't know me. Let's save our lives.
My card! God, I dropped it on the floor.
Let the valuable things go and hold your life. It's more important.
Check, please check if they're gone. I have to go and get my bag.
Hold on.
My card! I've dropped my card. I've left my bag.
Okay. Wait. This is risky. If they kill us, we cost it.
No. Gosh, I left my bag right here.
Huh?
My bag, I left it right here.
Your bag? Hey.
Yeah, where's the guy who sells the cars?
I'm sorry.
Oh my God. Sorry will not bring my bag back. I had quite a fortune in there.
I don't know, maybe someone must have taken it or anything. Eh? Where's the guy that was here now?
Can we look for the guy around?
Everybody was running for his life. Have you heard the word armed robbers? That means run. I'm sorry. I wish you can.
What am I going to do now? How am I going to get home?
Okay. I have some money. Let's share. Take. Use this. Take a cab. Go home. I'm sure this can get you home. Take it. I'm sorry. Just make sure you go home. I don't know. They might still be around. Because this, I don't understand. Thank God we have our lives. Most importantly. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Are you waiting for me to tell you to apologize to her? Eh, Kene? You're waiting for me to tell you what to do. Eh? I will show you.
Stop, please. There's no need for that, okay? Alright? Besides, I made you get in trouble with the police. And I made him soil the pictures, okay? Let's just forget about it, okay? It's alright, my dear. Stand up.
Come back here. I'll go and drop that catapult. Drop it outside.
Why don't you just wait for her? Wait, I don't know what's keeping her. Just calm down, please.
She knows I hate to be kept waiting. I hate it. I love it.
I know. She called me and asked me to wait for her here, so I'm sure she's on her way. Just take it easy, please. Come and sit, please. Just come and sit.
to think of it, you shouldn't have talked to him that way.
I mean, how could he? No, tell me, how could he actually lie to me in such a manner? He doesn't even have any remorse.
It's okay. It's all right.
No, it is not all right, okay? It is not all right. I was told that he saw both of them in a hotel in Lagos. And Margaret had the impudence to send me a text to that effect. What rubbish.
Your Highness, food is served.
Thank you. I'll be inside.
Are you all right?
Someone pelted you with stones and your head bearing the pains while the person is out there having fun. What are you talking about?
Let me make you understand that. I did run after the kid. I would have taught him a lesson he would never forget. But fortunately for the kid, I know his elder brother that have searched for...
Please. You should have arrested the two of them.
It was a hot chase though. I haven't run like that in ages. I had so much fun. Wow, I guess I lost so many pounds.
Meanwhile, Anthony was here today. He waited for a very long time. He was very furious.
Don't mind that scarecrow. It doesn't scare me one bit because I ain't a crow. Doesn't that rhyme?
Yeah, that's a rhyme. A rap.
Hello?
What's with this new attitude of keeping me waiting?
Was that why you came to my house and couldn't wait for me? I was only gone for a few hours. By the way, is that why we're here?
I asked an honest question. Stop giving me attitude.
Attitude. Anthony, do not cause a scene. I am a princess, and it will be unbecoming of me to cause a scene. Good day.
Sit down. Margaret, I said you should sit down and don't you dare walk out on me.
Watch me.
It really gets me thinking, man, if not sinking. I don't even know how this whole thing started in the first place.
Did you have anything to do with Margaret?
Hell no! Let me tell you what happened. I met Margaret at the airport. And it happened that we were in the same hotel. I had a taxi and I gave her a ride to the hotel. And that was all.
Well, that's all right. Marriages come with trials and difficulties. And I guess what you both are going through right now is just one of them. Take it easy, okay?
Maybe right, man. But God knows I don't want to go down that road.
You want it to come all easy on you, right? Come on, not that fast. I'll talk to her when I get home.
Please do.
Come to
I have never been insulted like this in my entire life. Margaret walked out on me.
My son, honestly, I'm really upset by this whole thing. I can't understand it. Really, I can't understand it. And I'm so sorry. This incident happened in the first place. But I must have to beg you to please forgive her. Please, okay? You know women, we always want to be women that we are.
Where do I start? Where do I start? I am greatly upset. I am, and I'm wondering how, where I could.
How can he insult me like that? Doesn't he know that I'm a princess? Gosh, it was just so embarrassing.
Margaret, just calm down, okay? Mark, will you brighten up? Please? Or should I get you something chill to cool off? Anything?
Nah. Just come and sit down.
Okay. I will only sit if we put a smile on that face. Not the fake one.
All right, I'll brighten up.
Are you smiling?
Come and sit.
Where is she?
I don't know, sir.
Are you dumb? What do you mean you don't know?
She asked me to wait for her here while she went in there.
You don't know. Her phone is switched off. You tell me you don't know. And when she comes back, tell her I was here.
I have a plan. Just hold on a second. It's a bit crazy, but I guess you just have to hold still for a while. Okay? Do you mind holding still time after time? Okay.
Wow. I hope I look beautiful.
You look fantastic, my princess. You look beautiful.
Do I have to smile?
Yeah, just smile, frown, but give me more of the smile. You look beautiful.
Amara, how could you? Did you have to tell Benedicta that I had a fling with Margaret? Yeah, you want her to split with me, right? But tell me, what do you stand to gain by spreading such a malicious rumor against me? I'm asking you.
Benny, I talked with Achike now.
He has nothing to say.
He might not have anything to say, sis. But you know, Achike feels that you both have a lot going for each other. To allow a lousy gossip and a text message mess things up.
Listen, it is nothing but lousy, okay? It is not lousy.
You see, Benny, if you allow me inject my professional opinion, I think you both need to sit and discuss things over. You need to sit and talk things over, Benny. Sort things out. Alright? Just have a little faith, my sis. Everything will be fine. Trust me.
Okay.
Now smile for me.
I'm smiling. Yes, I have to go out on my key. Nneka!
Listen, let me go.
Okay, go.
Listen, Achike, I don't know what you mean by being malicious about anything. I only told Margaret what I saw. Or didn't I see?
You saw us at the hotel, granted. But was that enough reason for you to tell my girl that I slept with Margaret? Amara, read my lips. I will not warn you to stay away from my relationship again.
Listen, I think I've had enough of your rantings. I'll see you around.
Come back here.
Achike.
I will dismiss you when I'm through with you. You don't walk out on me.
Fine. Did I not see you and Margaret coming out of the hotel room? What does a man and a woman do in a hotel room? Tell me. Tell me, Achike.
Alright, because...
Achike, I heard everything.
You're an embarrassment. You're a shame to your father. Stop it. You guys are just too big for the show of shame. Stop it. Stop it. Did you tell her to stop watching after my boyfriend? How many times will I tell you that nothing happened between Chike and I? Are you dumb or something? You stabbed me in the back. You're ignorant. Please, girls, please. It hasn't gotten to this place. You have to stop. It has gotten to it. You're dumb when it's gotten to it. You stupid girl for calling me an ingrate. How dare you? Now stop. You call me stupid? No, I'm upset. I just protect this. Oh, yeah. You're too little for me to battle. It's chicken out. Chicken out. Take it out. It's chicken out. Take it out.
My princess, Her Majesty wants to see you.
All right, wait for me at the door. I'll be with you in a second.
Okay, my princess. Margaret, you insulted Mr. Anthony Anolefo. Why? Why, Margaret?
Mommy,
Don't mommy me. Don't, Margaret. Anthony came here to complain that you, my daughter Margaret, insulted him. Are you not aware of his financial and social status? A young man like that, who controls conglomerates, deserves more than your respect, Margaret.
And I believe my side of the story is irrelevant, right?
What stupid story? What stupid story, Margaret?
Mommy, whatever Anthony told you, or however he said it, is undoubtedly how it happened.
I must tell your father about this insolence. Trust me.
My princess, you don't have to worry, see. Everything will be fine.
It's all right, my princess. It's all right.
It is not all right, okay? It is not all right.
My princess, see, all men are the same. And they should be seen in the same light. Okay?
I thought I could trust him. I just thought I could trust him.
It's okay.
My princess. Achike is here to say...
Get out! Just get out!
Please, let me handle this, okay? Let me talk to him. Alright? It's okay. I'll be right back, okay?
Chinazo, where is she? Is she alright?
She's alright. She's not just in the right frame of mind to talk to anyone. So I suggest you go home, come back tomorrow some other time.
You see, it's imperative. I really need to see her.
I know. But I think you should go home, come back some other time, okay?
But,
tomorrow, please.
Chinazo, wait.
Hello, you're welcome.
Hello, have you seen a zoo?
He went out this morning. He has not returned.
Wow. What about Ekene?
He's fetching water.
Alright, I will.
Do make yourself comfortable.
I'll wait for him for a while.
Your Majesty.
Where is my daughter?
Your Majesty, I really don't know the exact place she is right now.
What? What did I hear you say? That you don't know where my daughter is?
No, not exactly, Your Majesty. I have to...
Yes, I can hear you now. Yes. The where? Near my house? Oh. Okay. I'm in the lab. I'm actually busy here. Okay, I'll join you soon. See your phone.
You know, I actually thought he had a good reason for sending for me. I didn't know it was to ask me some stupid questions. Can you imagine?
Do you know that he actually called you to intimidate you and make you shut your mouth? I'm serious.
That is where he got it all wrong. I told him to his face that he slept with Margaret. Trust me now, you know what I can do.
I know he would have been so shocked. Yes, I mean, for you to tell him his sins to his face, he'll be so shocked.
I told him to his face, just like I told Margaret. You know, Margaret is my friend, though. Yes, I know she's my friend, but me, I don't like unfaithfulness and injustice. You know me now. I like being plain.
Just leave it. All men on this surface earth are useless.
They are useless.
They're very useless.
Very useless.
Anyway, let's talk about something more important, you know? So,
my dear.
This your breath.
Since our parents died, I've been going to a public school.
It's not bad going to a public school. Nothing is permanent. You know, sometimes we experience things we don't want to, but we're powerless to change it.
All I know is that I don't like the public school. They are always on strike. But since it is what my brother can afford now, I really don't have a choice.
You know what? I just want you to learn. Learn so hard, okay? So that you become someone brilliant in future.
This is causing a lot of troubles in my house. It is quite appalling that Margaret should want to break up my sister's relationship for no just cause.
Ben, I don't understand what you're talking about. Can you bring me up to speed?
Margaret had a fling with my sister's fiancé and went ahead to send her a text message to that effect.
She did what? Achike, my girl has been acting up lately, and I have just realized why.
Tony, I can see that this is no social call. Sit down at least.
You're damn right it's no social call. You looked around town and you couldn't find any other girl to mess around with but my girl.
You see, this is one rumor that's flying around town. And it's really messing me up. My relationship is...
Doesn't look like I care about your stupid relationship.
Did you say stupid relationship? Wait. Did you say stupid relationship?
Achike, stay away from Margaret. Stay away from her or...
Oh, Tony, that's a cliche. Save that shit for some wretch somewhere who is scared of you. Now get out of my office. I mean now!
I am not going to repeat this warning again. I am not.
Why would they do a thing like that? Is that Chiki that thick-headed not to know his boundaries?
And Margaret had to...
What? Had to what? No, Anthony. Are you sure that what you just told me is the truth?
I'm sure.
God. Goodness me. Margaret will not kill me. Margaret will not kill me. What What is this? Eh?
Margaret.
Yeah?
Why do you like it here? I mean, this house is nothing close to what you're used to. And you're always happy with this place.
I may have my shortcomings, but believe me, wealth is not everything. You know, uncertainty has its attraction, and that's one of the things I've come to fall in love with in your world.
Uncertainty.
Yep.
My parents died because we were not certain.
Well, I can be your mother.
What?
Why? I don't look old enough to be your mother.
Well, it's just that I imagine you seated by a fireplace, cooking with firewood.
That wouldn't be bad.
You see what I mean? It's going to be a wonderful sight to behold.
Stop it.
I dare you.
You want to try me?
Your Majesty, what a good surprise. You're welcome. Please come into the house.
Thank you, Amara. Yes, what did you say about my daughter Margaret and Achike?
Your Majesty, you know, we are friends and we know each other better. Achike and Anthony, you know, they've been having some kind of ego problems. And instead of them to come together and settle their differences now that they are tired of it, they are looking for where to lay their blames of lack of common sense. That is just it, ma.
And what kind of problems are they having?
Your Majesty, I don't know, but I don't think it has anything to do with Margaret, no.
Really?
Goodbye, Your Majesty. My regards to Margaret, ma.
Margaret.
Yeah? What is eating you up?
Why do you think so?
Because that's the only time you call me Margaret. So what is it? Spit.
Sit down. Thank you so much for accepting me the way I am. But, you know, sometimes, considering our social differences, I get scared of the problems your coming here can cause.
Are you saying I'm in trouble?
No. No. That's not what I meant. I'm sorry. Where's your driver?
Let me call him.
Hello, Gozie, where are you? What? How dare you? You know what? Goodbye.
What is it?
The idiot said my mom saw him and asked him to drive home. He's gone.
Oh my God. You know what? Just calm down, okay? Calm down. Let's be taking a walk while I try to stop a taxi, okay? I'm sure we will get one.
I will so kill him.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Let's go.
Akonoba buhim pamo, ega buhim pamo. Iem na chano bangori, onyem ga kwalo bumoza. Iem na chano bangori, onye ga kugumo biwambewe. Iem na chano bangori, onyem ga kwalo bumobia. Le wane wegile na nabugini komere. Izuchuku kam na choe. Onyo se photo Owagiga buwa mohe Makalabu ge bugono moho Igeri kam geri Igango kam gango Ebi galaru ra kam galaru Ono rapono mo kam biri
Margaret, what is wrong with you? What kind of a human being are you, Margaret?
What have I done this time, Mother?
Do you have any make of human kindness at all? Margaret, I know you don't value your life. But even if you don't value your life, you should understand that the lives of others are priceless. You left Gozie at that junction that leads next to nowhere, only for God knows how long.
What if something had happened to me, Mom? Why did he have to go with my car? At least he could have left my car behind for me.
If something had happened to you, Margaret, you asked for it. Margaret, you've decided to give me high blood pressure. Why? Do you enjoy the fact that I'm complaining and Anthony is complaining?
Mom, leave Anthony out of this, okay? Because he is just overreacting. And I am not giving you any high BP.
Hey!
Meg, do you know your mother came to my house and was talking about what I said about you and Achike and how you...
Amara, if you don't have anything to say, please just shut your mouth.
Okay, I'll shut my mouth. But your mother has to understand that things like this should be between friends like us and...
Amara.
Sorry.
You don't have to be sorry. Listen, if you don't have something important to say, then keep quiet.
If I should tell you what...
Sorry. You don't have to be sorry.
What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Is this what the money I gave him? Is it? He knew he did a shabby job. That was why he sneaked in like a snake he is and dropped it while I was not in the house. He knew he did a shabby job. This is rubbish.
Good day, Your Highnesses.
Good day.
I brought the pictures.
Let me have them. These are really good.
Thank you, Your Highness.
But this is definitely not good.
Can I take a look at it?
Of course, of course.
Your Highness, this is not too bad, but I can do better than this. I believe I have an idea of what the painter is trying to do.
You can?
Yes.
And how long is this going to take?
If I start now, I'll deliver the job by the end of the day.
Well, get to work.
Okay, Your Highness. Please, can I go with it so that I'll follow up the work?
Of course.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Have a nice day.
Yes, Your Highness. Thank you, Your Highness.
Benedicta, I know you like paintings a lot, no doubt. But you see, there is no reason for you to feel that bad.
Why? I mean, didn't you see what that stupid painter just did to me? He just wasted my money and my time and did rubbish.
Bene, complex problems sometimes have the simplest solutions. You see, my photographer has agreed to make a new one for you. Or if possible, work on the old one. So please stop eating yourself up and put up a smile that befits a princess. Please. Smile. Come on, let's watch this. Okay.
I'm happy now.
Aye.
Why didn't you wait for me? That was my car you drove away with without letting me know.
My princess, it was her mother that insisted I come along with her. I didn't know how I could have disobeyed her.
Idiot. That is when you would have left my car alone and gone with her. Now get out of my sight before I lose my temper.
Has it been long UK?
Yeah, and I'm leaving right now. How are you?
It is not fair. I just came in now and you want to go. Please stay a little more.
All right, my dear. I'll stay a little while.
Let's go in there.
All right.
Gozie, the Queen has told me everything. And I'm glad you took it like a man. This is one of those things. Huh? Have this. For your troubles.
Thank you very much, sir.
Gozie, do you think I would ever need your help?
My help?
Yes.
You don't need to say it twice, sir. Just tell me whatever it is you need to be done. It will be done immediately, sir.
Now, I have a feeling that Margaret has fallen under some kind of bad influence lately. I need to find out what is going on. I need to know who is responsible. Do you think you can help me with that?
You don't need to say it again, sir. Thank you, sir.
Princess.
I want to use this to show appreciation for the masterpiece you've given me.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. Oh my God. Princess. 150,000 naira.
I know. You deserve every bit of that money.
Princess, thank you. Thank you very much. You've changed my life. Oh my God, I'm so grateful.
No, you can't kneel down. No.
Thank you.
Stand up.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
The first time I saw him was the day I went for a fundraising ceremony. As soon as I stepped out of my car, the flash of his camera hit me. And I turned to look at him. He made a gesture at me that meant that I was beautiful. Then I went into the hall. Stay to the end of the event, because I had some things to attend to. I left the hall, went into my car. So? Then I just heard a knock on my window. It just drew my attention. And I turned, I looked up, it was the photographer. with this picture in his hand. You know me now. I couldn't have even just paid attention to the picture, but it was so beautiful. Is this not beautiful?
Hey. Enough of this photographer story. Wait, listen. I hope you've not started thinking of this kind of classic story where a rich girl falls for a poor boy and they live happily ever after.
Is that the impression I'm giving you?
You tell me.
Okay, I'm not telling you anything. Okay? Yes, you said something about your Margaret's mother coming to your house.
That's the gist. Before you interrupted with your photographer story. She came to my house and was asking me what I knew about Margaret sleeping with Achike. Can you imagine?
What's the meaning of that? What's her problem?
My dear, tell me. It's not like I'm a psychiatrist or something. Meanwhile, I told her the truth. I told her that what Margaret did was wrong. You know, and I condemned it in its entirety. You know me now. I know the fear face.
Anyway, she should come and ask me. Then she will receive the bad side of my tongue. Rubbish.
Meanwhile, what are you going to do with that frame?
What am I going to do with this? It's going to my bedroom. I'll be seeing if I wake up like this, I'll see the painting.
Are you okay?
I'm very okay. Are you sure? This is beautiful. Just look at it now. Look at it. Thank you. What's wrong with you?
Don't worry.
Beautiful painting. Beautiful.
Auntie, I'm sorry. My brother would always give me a knock on the head each time I forgot to bring water before eating.
So do you want me to give you one now?
But I have already brought the water.
No.
I will still go and bring some more.
It's okay.
Please.
I'm alright.
Are you crazy? Who do you think you're talking to? I want you to go get that gate open right now.
I'm not going anywhere.
Did you just say you're not going anywhere? This is...
Yes, what is the matter?
Princess have to open gate for him and he forced the way in.
Okay, that's okay. Now you go back to your duty post and I'll take it from here.
Thank you, my prince.
Ben, you know I really need to see her.
Achike. I don't think it's a good idea. You see, Achike, she doesn't really want to see you now. You...
What's going on here? Ahmed! Ahmed! What is this man doing here?
Ask him not to come here and he forced the way in.
Get a grip on yourself, sister.
You know what? Tell this man to get out of this compound right now. Tell him to leave.
Achike.
Did you just hear?
I said leave my compound right now. Get out! Get out! What is he doing? What are you saying? Get out and go to the gate! Rubbish! Can you imagine this guy?
He's looking for when to finish. Calm down. Look at this. He's gone. Okay?
Okay.
Look at my princess all beautifully called up. She looks so beautiful. She looked like an angel.
Wow. I waited forever for you.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I had lots of things to take care of. I'm so sorry for you missing me.
How was your day?
Well, the usual spot. Target and snap business. It was fine.
You want something to eat?
Well, yes, I'm hungry, but how are you going to get that?
I boiled yam and oil. You love it.
Really?
You
did that? Oh my goodness.
Yes, I did. You want some?
Sure.
All right, let me get you some.
Wow.
Asonye dalo menye kewere ya wemeri enkocha. Onwere onye buchibe ya o. Onye jindu nakae. Izuchukwu gabo imo. Oriela mobi mpunanya. Unu rapolo molabumo. Okwano ya kamna chinugo. Unu rapolo no mizuchukwu. Onye jikwo bimo nakaya. Izuchukwu lele nume.
What is it with Margaret and this place? What's the attraction? It's about time I found out. And I know exactly who is going to be my eyes there.
Who is it?
Anthony, I'm not here for.
Ah, my chairman. Hold on. My chairman. My chairman. My chairman. My chairman. I didn't expect you could.
Izu, how are you?
I'm fine, chairman. I'm fine, chairman. No problem.
I want you to do something for me.
Hey, anything for my chairman. Say it. Just mention it.
I've noticed that my fiancée has been frequenting this area, and I don't really like it. I want you to find out where she goes and who she sees. Oh, can you do that for me?
That's the easiest thing I can do for my chairman now. Very easy. What does she look like? I mean, what's her name?
Her name is Margaret Udemba. She's average height, dark in complexion, beautiful.
Okay. Yes, I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll watch out for you.
All right.
No problem. No problem, my chairman. My chairman, you're looking good.
Izu, keep your eyes on it.
Okay.
Listen, what do you expect me to do? Let me ask you a question. Have you ever told her you left me for her?
Why don't you take things the way you see them?
Well, that's because things are not always the way they seem to be. You think I am the one with a heart to be toyed with, right?
Old time's sake is the only reason I'm handling things this way. stop whatever it is you're up to.
Achike, I knew you when you had next to nothing. Now you feel you're a big boy and I'm no longer good enough for you. You want a royal blood, a blue blood, right? Go ahead, have fun, enjoy your relationship. What are you doing here?
Amara, stay away.
Achike, get out of my house.
I will.
Get out.
Stay away.
Bounce.
So you guys are getting married?
We were dating before. And you know mothers. Mine wanted me to marry Anthony. But I'm not really sure about that.
And what about your father? What is he saying about it?
But my father spends most of the time in the village, ruling the people there as their king. But he really cares about my happiness.
I've known Anthony for a very long time now. And I also know that he can make things very difficult for me. Margaret, I think you should stop coming here. Till...
Please. I love you. Yuzu, you're a source of inspiration to me.
Who is that?
Ekene.
Achike, you might think you have achieved a feat by going after my girl. But one little promise I am giving you is that you might not be alive to tell the story if my relationship cracks.
Anthony Wokem, you should know better than to threaten me.
Enjoy your life while you still can.
Empty threat. Empty threat. You can tell that to the birds.
I don't know much about what you just asked me. But if I should say my mind, I will tell you not to be afraid of anyone. Because it's what you always tell me.
I shouldn't be afraid of anyone.
Yes, brother.
I have something to show you. This is a check for 150,000 naira.
That's a lot of money.
Yes. And we will use it to solve a lot of problems.
My school face.
I know you will say that. Oh my God. Okay, just... morning.
Good morning. Are you Mr. Izuchukwu Okoye?
Yes, I am.
Princess Benedicta would like to see you at home as soon as possible. She tried calling your number, but it wasn't going.
Please let her know I'll be there soon.
All right. See you then.
All right. Thank you.
What did you say the problem is?
It is not much of a problem, my princess. I just want to let you know that Oga Anthony and your mother are monitoring your movement.
How do you know that?
I overheard them saying it.
I see. Well, thank you very much. Please keep me informed about whatever moves they try and make, okay?
Yes, my princess.
I'll make sure I have you rewarded.
Yes? I believe this is Ijuko Okoye.
Yes, I am Isu.
It's from Princess Margaret.
Okay.
My princess, this is the man.
Your Highness. I brought this for you, Your Highness. Please take a look.
This is beautiful. Thank you so much.
Your Highness. No, I should be thanking you for what you did for me. I'm so grateful. And I don't know how much this appeals to you, but I hope you accept it.
Oh, thank you so much. This is so beautiful. I like it.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Please do leave.
Yes, my princess.
Please do come in.
I demand to know the exact place my daughter goes to in that slum. You two cannot tell me that you are ignorant of the place. No, you cannot. And you know, I can go to any extent to get what I want. Somebody had better start talking before I lose it. Ujungwa?
My queen, I've never been there with her. I had always stopped her at the junction.
And you, Gozi?
Your Majesty, you can bear witness that I've always
Shut
been...
up! Do I look like a joke to you idiots? Or do you think I'm joking with you?
You know, that's it, how it is.
Your Highness, I'm so privileged to be seated here.
I know. I like your fingers. Really nice.
Your Highness, my fingers are dirty. My hands are always busy.
I like them.
Margaret.
Did you have to keep me waiting all this while?
Oh, baby, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to keep you waiting. I just,
Listen, I was so worried.
You don't have to be worried. I'm here now, okay? Come on, give me a hug, huh? Come on, darling, I'm sorry. I wouldn't keep you waiting again, I promise. Come on, baby, give me a hug.
Margaret, you are born into a rich, royal family. And you might not get to know the extent people can go in pursuit of acceptable social class. That's why it's very, very important that you interact within your own social class and not outside it.
But
wait! Because when you build upon that, you will give your children the wonderful opportunity of having a viable social contacts. And that is what I have in mind for you, my daughter Margaret. And that is what I have in mind for my grandchildren when they come. And Margaret, that is what Anthony Anolefo stands for.
Amara, since you've refused to stay away from me, I'll make you pay for all this trouble your cousin.
Stay away from you.
It's over between the two of us. Why don't you just mind your business? Why must you poke nose into my relationship?
Do you have a relationship?
I don't have a relationship, right?
Do you have a relationship? Look at this gold digger. Look at you for woman.
What's your problem?
Do I know you?
Do I know me?
Do I know you? Who are you? This man is a kidnapper. He wants to kidnap me. See, if anything happens to me in this house, is this guy, yo? Ah, do I know you? What kind of rubbish is this one? He wants to kidnap me.
Just leave me alone. Amara, you.
What kind of rubbish is this one?
I know how to get you.
You get me. Where would you get me from? What do you want to do?
I'll get you.
Where would you get me from? Keep begging from woman to woman. Fool. Gold digger. Idiot. Look at him. Come again, let me break your head in this house.
You like it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Why don't you do the same?
Very sweet.
Yes, I got a new phone. You like it?
Yeah, it's beautiful. At least I can call you on it now.
It's not as beautiful as you. You're the most beautiful girl in the whole world.
This is really cool. What's your number?
Dial yours, you get mine.
So he didn't tell you where he was going to?
He didn't, sir.
When is he coming back?
I don't know, but he will soon be back.
Let me wait for him for a while.
Say something. I can't hold it inside anymore. I mean, I just feel so much for him.
Get over what? Feel so much for him?
I mean, what I feel for Izu, I can't hold it anymore.
What are you talking about?
You know, I feel so much for him that I can't even think straight without even thinking about him. I don't know, I care so much about him. I don't even know what I'm talking about right now.
Hold on. Which Izu?
The photographer? Listen, I have a void inside my heart, and it's only Izu that feels that void. I just feel so much for him. I can't even explain it.
Wait, just hold it. Wait. This is crazy.
Are you trying to tell me that you're in love with that boy? That's the word. I am in love. Oh my god. I'm in love with Izu. I love him so much. Oh my god. I'm in love with Izu. Yes. I'm in love with him. I'm in love with him. Oh my god. That's the word. I love Izu. I love him. Yes. I love him. Oh my god. Oh, I love him.
This is where you turn around and go back to your palace while I go back to my slum.
Nah, you don't live in a slum.
It is. Even if you don't tell me, I know. I'm gonna miss you.
I miss you too.
Be careful, okay?
All right.
Bye.
So much in love, love. Hold on to my life. Hold on to my life. I'm gonna keep you strong, yeah. To my life, oh, I'm
So, your madness has now gone to the level of kissing a common photographer in public. Margaret, you intentionally want to destroy the beautiful and wonderful relationship you have with Anthony and Olefu. Why, Margaret?
Mother, so can't I have at least a minute peace in this house? I think I've had enough of Anthony and Olefu. Of Anilefo associates, Anilefo shipping magnet, Anilefo this, Anilefo that. I am.
Shut up! Shut up, Margaret. Shut up. You just want to send me to my penny grave, Margaret. Why?
No, Mom. All I want is to be happy. Is that too much to ask for?
Take it easy, take it easy.
Sorry. Oh, you'll be fine.
Just gently. Gently, please. Huh? Swollen, huh? Still small. Don't touch it.
Sorry, okay?
Good evening all. Isuchuku, Princess Benedict has helped me to know how your people are doing.
Izzy is not well. He had an accident.
An accident? Oh, very sorry. Anyway, I'll be on my way. Take care of him. Nothing, my princess.
Did you see him?
Yes, I saw him, but I couldn't talk to him. His brother said he had an accident. So.
Accident? What are you still doing here? Go and tell the driver to take him to the hospital right now. Both of you just go. Move, move! Yes, ma'am. Be fast!
That was when it dawned on me that I had lost my fiancée to a common photographer.
God. This is so disheartening. No wonder Margaret has been acting weird.
I didn't see it coming. I did not.
So, what are you going to do?
Something very unpleasant. Something very unpleasant.
My dear, the doctor said that there is not much damage, okay? And you'll soon be out of here very soon. It's okay. Sorry, it's okay. Let me go and get some more money for you and some more food, alright? I'll be back soon.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay, okay? Ekene, let me just go and get some things for your brother. Please take care of him. Put an eye on him for me, alright? Good boy. It's okay. I know you're grateful. I'll be back very soon, alright? Take care of him for me, alright?
Izu! 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 Ekene! Ekene!
What do you want?
Excuse me?
Is it not because of you that Izu was nearly killed?
What are you talking about?
Doctors are somewhere right now, battling to save Izu's life, all because of you.
Just slow down. You're not making any sense now, okay? Izu, hospital doctors. What happened to Izu?
A man named Anthony came here and beat Izu blue-black. And since then he has been rushed to the hospital.
What hospital?
I don't know.
Listen, you have to understand.
I will not.
I don't know what is wrong with you. You must have to listen to what I've got to say.
I am not going to listen to anybody. Not my mother, and certainly not you. Leave me alone. Get the hell out of my life, because it's over between us.
It's not over. It ends when I say so. I run things. I start things, and when I say they end, they end.
Read my lips. It's over.
Margaret, your father is going to hear this.
Good, because it's high time he heard about this. I'm just sick of all of this.
Hey! Oh God. What kind of thing is this? Huh? What kind of a thing is this? Hey!
I've not gone to see him.
What about him?
He came around to pick some few things, but I forgot to ask him in the hospital if he was in.
Baby, thank you so much for everything you've done for me. I don't know what would have become of me if you didn't come to help me. I'm so grateful.
It's okay, alright? It's okay. I mean, I couldn't have done more for you or less for you. It's okay.
I'm so grateful.
It's alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm fine.
Look, Meg, you don't have to let your breaking up with Anthony cause problems in your home between you and your mother.
I don't care, and I don't want to know.
But you can't stand against your mother.
You don't get it, do you? I am past caring right now.
You have to take it easy.
Tony, do you know that the war cloud that loomed over us was engineered by a common photographer?
And I thought it was you all along.
And we would have fought each other over nothing.
And I'm still wondering. I'm still wondering what she saw in that poor wretch that turned her head into something else.
I feel the same way. But you never can tell with women.
Forget about all that for now, Chiki. You know what? I owe you a lunch. A big lunch. And some glasses of champagne.
Now you know.
I know.
Now you can see clearly.
Let's get out of this place.
Sure?
abụghị mkpa m ego abụghị mkpa m ihe m na-achọ n'ụba aṅụrị onye m ga-akpọlọ bụ m ọza ihe m na-achọ n'ụba aṅụrị onye ga-agụgụ m obi ma mbewe ihe m na-achọ n'ụba aṅụrị onye m ga-akpọlọ bụ m ọbịa lee nwa na-enweghị nne na nna bụ gịnị ka o mere Izuchukwu ka m na-achọ onye ose foto ụwa gị ga-abụ ụwa m maka lọbụ ga-egbugo n'ụmụ ị ga-eri ka m ga-eri ihe ị ga-aṅụ ka m ga-aṅụ ebe ị ga-ararụ ụra ka m ga-ararụ unu rapụ n'ụmụ ka m biri
My inspiration about paintings is that I see the image.
Benedicta. Izu.
That's what we say. I'm serious.
I had thought that you were more than just any other girl. I thought you knew the right track and followed. I never for once dictated for you because I believed in you. And now, what does the family get? A scandal!
God knows I do not deserve this. No.
What did I just hear you say? You do not deserve it? Then what do I deserve? Do I deserve you people?
Benedicta!
Young man, I wouldn't want your blood, your wretched blood, to be on my hands. So I want you to do yourself a favor by going for girls of your class, because you do not belong to where you are angling for. Yes. Does she know that you are a common gold digger?
What is it, eh? What is your problem? Are you the only rich man? Are you the only rich man? What is your problem? Everything good can do. Do you have any gold? Do you have any gold? See. Look at rich man with your cheap honorary lace. And you have bleached face. Let me warn you, I don't want to see you again your wallet. Hold your girlfriend, you will not. So you come harassing everybody, destroying the
Would you shut up before I water your miserable ghetto life?
Shut up! Look at rich man with your cheap lace and your bleached face. What is it? What is your problem? Hold your girlfriend. You will not. He said you come and disturb people in their own houses. Useless thing. My friend, Shiv, get out of this place, Joe. Look at rich man. Rubbish. Don't mind them, eh? You will do nothing.
Who's going to arrange I have locked up the whole house, and none of you is going anywhere. Come tomorrow morning, we are going to show me that boy's house. Izuchukwu or whatever thing you call him. Oh yes, we are going to do that, or I will kill each and every one of you. You are going to show me his house. You will take me to his house tomorrow.
I haven't set my eyes on Uzu since Anthony beat him up. Gosh, I miss him so much.
Is that why I've been knocking on your door and you refuse to open? Well, that's not why I'm here. I'm here for something else. I want to ask you a very personal question, and I want you to tell me the truth. Are you pregnant?
Is anything wrong with a woman getting pregnant?
Well, it depends on who you're pregnant for. So, who are you pregnant for?
The photographer, Uzu. There, I said it.
Hey!
Please stop being a drama queen, okay? Just sit down.
Margaret! Stop overreacting. Just sit down, okay?
Excuse me, Doc. What's the situation like? Is our test result out?
There's nothing to worry about. Just pregnant.
She's what?
Pregnant. Thank you.
Your Majesty, I'm a photographer.
So, it's true.
What is true, Your Majesty?
My daughter, Margaret, she had dreams and aspirations before you came into her life. She understood class and was sophisticated. Now all those are thrown into the winds. Izuchukwu Okoye, I'm begging you with everything I hold dear to please leave my daughter alone. Please stop. I can pay you off. Name your price. How much do you want? Talk to me. How much do you want? I can give you anything. Just to keep away from my daughter. Izuchukwu, please. Keep away from her.
Prince, it's not about the money. It's about my happiness. Your sister's happiness.
To hell with your happiness! Does it look like I care about your happiness right now?
My prince, please calm down. Just hear me out.
Shut up! And listen. I don't want to ever see you around my house or around my sister ever again.
My prince, please, just, I know how you feel.
Shut up when I'm talking. If I ever see you around my house or around my sister, I'll gladly commit murder. Try me for size. Try me for size! Now listen, both of you. I will go to any length to defend any one of you who kills a lousy photographer if he's found around this compound. But if I get to set my eyes on him in this compound, I'll skin both of you alive. Is that understood? Am I clear?
Yes, my prince.
Every breath he takes insults me. And that same goes to any one of you who wastes a split second in opening those gates for Achike. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, my prince.
This is a check of 250,000 naira. I want you to give this check to Izu and tell him that I said he should use this check to move into a new place, alright? And also tell him that I am pregnant.
What? Pregnant?
Yes, I'm pregnant. Just run along, okay? Okay, just go, be fast. Okay? Go. Chinazo, come. I want you to buy something for me. Okay, come do some money upstairs.
Ben, what is it? Ben, you're making this whole thing look, you're exaggerating this whole thing. Tell me what is it, okay?
Achike, you won't understand.
You know I would understand. What is it?
Like I said, Achike, you won't understand.
You know...
Who's there? Come back here! Come back here! And where are you going to?
Supermarket.
To supermarket. Now let me have that. Give it to me! Come! Now listen, both of you. I will go to any length to defend any one of you who kills a lousy photographer if he's found around this compound. But if I get to set my eyes on him in this compound, I'll skin both of you alive. Is that understood? Am I clear?
Yes, my prince.
Every breath he takes insults me. And that same goes to any one of you who wastes a split second in opening those gates for Achike. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, my prince.
This is a check of 250,000 naira. I want you to give this check to Izu and tell him that I said he should use this check to move into a new place, alright? And also tell him that I am pregnant.
What? Pregnant?
Yes, I'm pregnant. Just run along, okay? Okay, just go, be fast. Okay? Go. Chinazo, come. I want you to buy something for me. Okay, come do some money upstairs.
Ben, what is it? Ben, you're making this whole thing look, you're exaggerating this whole thing. Tell me what is it, okay?
Achike, you won't understand.
You know I would understand. What is it?
Like I said, Achike, you won't understand.
You know...
Who's there? Come back here! Come back here! And where are you going to?
Supermarket.
To supermarket. Now let me have that. Give it to me! So what are you going to buy in the supermarket? The whole supermarket? Izuchukwu Okoye.
What's that? The same photographer?
Izuchukwu Okoye.
Benedict! Benedict! Now you come with me. Benedict! Benedict! Get in!
Benedicta? Has something come over you? Are you mad? Are you sick in the head? What has come over you, Benedicta?
Brother, nothing has come over me.
I'm talking about getting that dog of a photographer off your back for good, Benedicta, and you're seated here writing him checks? If you do not know what and who to spend your money on, you let me know, Benedicta.
But listen, it's my money. I can do whatever I want to do with my money.
At least not on a common photographer who schemed his way into your heart.
Oh. There is more.
Meaning?
I am pregnant.
You're what? You're pregnant for who? Ben?
Your Majesty.
Anthony, how are you?
I'm fine. This is the pastor I told you about.
Good. Pastor, how are you?
I'm fine. Your Majesty, I want you to gather everybody so that he will start a ground-shaking prayers that will free Margaret of any spell that idiot cast on her.
Excellent idea. I will do just that, Pastor. I will do just that now. Thank you very much.
for this family. Father Lord, I bless your name, O Lord. I magnify you. Thank you, Lord, for revealing these ones to me, O Lord. Thank you, Jesus. For in Jesus' name I pray.
Amen.
Anthony, may I see you and Your Majesty privately?
Of course. All of you can leave now.
Okay, my friend.
Your Majesty, certainly the boy is not demonic. He is not using any charms on your daughter. One thing you should understand is that she is already pregnant for him.
What? Yes. My daughter? Hey! God! My own daughter, Margaret! No! What? Pregnant! My own daughter! My daughter! No! Hey! Daughter! What? Hey! What?
Just calm down. It's not the end of the world. Why are you doing this? Just calm down.
Help me! Pastor! Ujuma! When did you see my daughter last? She was in her womb. Hey! My daughter Margaret. Pregnant. For a common photographer. My lord! Ujuma! Please take me where she is! Go and show me where she is for goodness sake! Can show me! Take me back to her room!
Look at the stupid boy speaks stand. I want you to get in there and bring him out. Bring him out. The idiot is not around. Has to be somewhere.
Tony! Tony, where is he? Where is Izuchukwu? Where is this bloody gold digger? You know you cannot escape this.
Has to be somewhere. Come here. Who are you?
I am Ekene Okoye, Izuchukwu's brother.
You are Izuchukwu's brother? You are Izuchukwu's brother? Get him! Hey! Get him! Move! Your Majesty.
Yes, Anthony.
The useless Izuchukwu was nowhere to be found. But I got his younger brother.
Good. Good. I just hope he's important to the brother. And, Anthony, what do you do next?
I ordered the rest of the policemen to hang around the area and arrest Izuchukwu as soon as they set their eyes on him. Okay. As for this one, we'll keep him somewhere.
That's very good. That's very good.
My children, welcome once more. And most certainly, money is not everything. Margaret, my daughter, your mother wants the best for you. And she did all that in good faith. I know your happiness means a lot to you. But I'm going to ask you one question. Can that man make you happy?
Yes, Daddy.
Good. It is said that when a woman gives all her heart to a man, nothing else matters. Nothing else matters. Izuchukwu.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Do you really, really love my daughter?
Yes, Your Majesty, I do. I love her.
From the deepest part of your heart, do you love my daughter?
Yes, Your Majesty, I do. I truly love her.
Good. Then arrange with your uncle to come so that we can discuss.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
In the meantime, come and receive my blessings. May the Almighty God bless both of you. Multiply your fruits.
Your Majesty, please, you have to take things easy because of your health. Please.
What health are you talking about here, Amara? Yeah? Your friend has finally succeeded. Just look at me. How do I face my husband? How do I tell the whole world that my own daughter got pregnant out of wedlock? Eh? Hi.
But please just take it easy. Everything will be sorted out.
Amara, you guys has finished me. You have finished me, all of you.
Your Majesty.
Please take it.
Tell you the truth they might not have told you.
Which is?
My fiancée Margaret is pregnant for the same boy you are dying for.
Are you serious? I mean, are you joking? What are you saying? What?
I just thought I should let you know.
So like I said, everything is going to be fine. So just have it.
Benedicta! 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 Guards! Guards! Benedicta! Guards!
Amara, I've learned my lesson the hard way, and I'm not ashamed to confess it to you.
My God. Why don't you just say it? Yes, say it to me that a common photographer reduced your ego to nothing. Say it to me.
You're right. He did.
Oh, and I am really touched. God, I feel like crying.
You see, Amara, why don't we get back to the way we used to be?
Please, that is not the issue right now.
I only got two options left. It's either you take me back, or I relocate overseas.
Why don't you tell them to hurry up with your visa? Yes, tell them to make it fast so you can leave. Please, if you don't have anything to say, I'll go inside. Excuse me.
I'm very sorry you had to lose the pregnancy. I was only concerned that you were going to lose it. I'm very sorry, Benedicta. But you know, you are the only family that I've got. And I don't want to lose you. I love you, Benedicta. Get well soon.
Ejike! Gozie! Where are these boys? Why is it that when I need these guys, I won't see them? Huh?
My queen, you have a call.
A call?
Yeah.
From where?
From the village.
It's my husband. Hello? Honey? Good afternoon. No, honey, I won't be coming to the village today. Yeah, because there's a situation I'm taking care of down here. Yeah? Yeah? No, I don't think there'll be any need for that, since I'll be coming to the village tomorrow. You mean Ekene, Izu's brother? There'll be no need for that. I'll take care of it. Okay. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Please, Juma, let's go.
See, I'm fortunate to have chosen to be in this hotel. And Margaret, I think it will be fulfilling if we can make the best out of this meeting. You know what I mean?
You and I shouldn't think about this, not to talk of doing it.
Why?
Because you're my friend's fiancé.
Yeah, and you're my friend's fiancé too.
The reason why you should bounce. Get lost.
What are you saying? I should...
That's the door. Leave. So that's exactly what happened between Achike and I. I want you to tell me the truth. Did you sleep with Benedicta?
Yes, I did.
Princess Benedicta is here to see you.
Who?
Princess Benedicta.
All right. Let's go and see what she wants. Yes.
Izu, there is nothing to worry about. I lost the pregnancy when I heard that Margaret was also pregnant.
Wow. I'm sorry about that.
I'm sorry too.
It's okay. It's okay. I've actually thought about it over and over again. And I realized that my feelings blend into the fact that I couldn't have been what you wanted. And it was very futile of me to hang on when I know that your heart belongs to somebody else. Well, I don't have any hard feelings towards both of you. I wish you luck.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you, Benedicta.
Welcome.
Thank you.
And I'm sorry about the baby. It's okay. And how is Josh doing? Fine. I wish you luck, alright? I have to go. Take care. Bye.
So much in love. Hold on to my life. You gotta keep it strong, yeah. Giving all in all to wear it down this time. To hold on to my life. Oh, I'm gonna keep it strong. Giving all in all to wear it down this time. To hold on to my life. Oh, I'm gonna keep it strong. Giving all in all to wear it down this time. To hold on to my life. Oh, I'm gonna keep it strong. Giving all in all to wear it down this time. To hold on to my life. Oh, I'm gonna keep it strong. Yeah.
Amara,
Have you really learned your lesson?
yeah,
I did.
I was thinking, maybe we can get together again.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Come here. Oh, come here. Come here, come here. Let's go inside.
Someone brought this card for you.
Hold on. Margaret Udemba. Izu Okoye. You brought this?
Yes, sir.
You brought this? Get out of my office! Get out of my sight!
I'm a rapper, no more love, more. Aquani, who I come nacho. Any rapper, no more love, more. Aquani, who I come nacho. Mama rapper, no more love, more. Aquani, who I come nacho. Marabo, rapper, no more love, more. Aquani, who I come nacho. Anthony rapper, no more love, more. Aquani, who I come nacho. Akonoba bughị mkpa mo, ịga bughị mkpa mo. Ihe m na-achọ n'ụba aṅụrị, onye m ga-akpọlọ bụ m ọza. Ihe m na-achọ n'ụba aṅụrị, onye ga-agụgụ m obi ma mbewe. Ihe m na-achọ n'ụba aṅụrị, onye m ga-akpọlọ bụ m ọbịa. Lee nwa na-enweghị nne na nna bụ gịnị ka o mere? Izuchukwu ka m na-achọ onye ose foto ụwa gị ga-abụ ụwa m maka lọbụ gị egbugo n'ụmụ ị ga-eri ka m ga-eri ihe ị ga-aṅụ ka m ga-aṅụ ebe ị ga-ararụ ụra ka m ga-ararụ unu rapụ n'ụmụ ka m biri. I'm a rapper, no more love, more. Aquani, who I come nacho. Any rapper, no more love, more. Aquani, who I come nacho. Mama rapper, no more love, more. Aquani, who I come nacho. Marabo, no rapper, no more love, more. Aquani, who I come nacho. Anthony rapper, no more love, more. Aquani, who I come nacho. Asị onye dara ogbenye ka were ya wee mere ihe nkọcha. O nwere onye bụchi ibe ya onye ji ndụ n'aka Izuchukwu ga-abụ oyimo o riela m obi mpụ n'anya. Unu rapụrụ m lọbụ m n'ọkwanụ ya ka m na-achọ inugo. Unu rapụrụ m Izuchukwu onye jikwa obi m n'aka ya. Izuchukwu lelenụ m love more. Ọkwani hunanya kamnacha. Ayimu rapolono mo love more. Ọkwani hunanya kamnacha. Enyi rapolono mo love more. Ọkwani hunanya kamnacha. Mama rapolono mo love more. Ọkwani hunanya kamnacha. Marobodo rapolono mo love more. Ọkwani hunanya kamnacha. Anthony rapolono mo love more. Ọkwani hunanya kamnacha. Giving all in all to wear them down this time. To hold on to my life, oh, I'm gonna keep it strong. Giving all in all to wear them down this time. To hold on to my life, oh, I'm gonna keep it strong. Giving all in all to wear them down this time. To hold on to my life, oh, I'm gonna keep it strong. Giving all in all to wear them down this time. To hold on to my life, oh, I'm gonna keep it strong. Yeah.